Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Honor MAGIC6 Pro, a flagship smartphone that aims to compete with the best in the market. We'll explore its design, display, camera capabilities, performance, battery life, and unique software features. Let's see if this phone truly stands out from the crowd. Starting with the design, the Honor MAGIC6 Pro offers a sleek, premium look with curved edges on all sides of its 6.8-inch OLED display. This design choice not only enhances aesthetics but also improves ergonomic comfort. The display itself supports a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, providing smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling through content. Honor claims it's one of the healthiest screens with features like dynamic dimming and circadian display, aimed at reducing eye strain. Moving on to the cameras, the Honor MAGIC6 Pro doesn't disappoint. It boasts a versatile setup including a 50 megapixels main camera with adjustable aperture, a 50 megapixels ultrawide, and an 18MP 2.5x telephoto camera. The front-facing camera is also a standout at 50 megapixels, ensuring high-resolution selfies. In our testing, the camera has delivered strong performance in various lighting conditions. Though low-light shots were less impressive compared to some competitors. Under the hood, the MAGIC6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. While it excels in GPU performance, it falls slightly behind in CPU power compared to some flagship rivals. Nevertheless, it handles gaming and multitasking smoothly, making it a reliable daily driver. One of the highlights of the Honor MAGIC6 Pro is its battery life. It packs a generous 5600 mAh battery with support for 80W wired and 66W wireless charging. In our tests, it performed admirably, offering long-lasting power even with intensive usage. The silicon-carbon battery technology is a welcome addition, promising improved efficiency and durability. On the software side, the MAGIC6 Pro runs on Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14. It introduces some interesting AI features like Magic Portal, which allows seamless interaction between apps by simply dragging and dropping content. The Magic Capsule, positioned at the top center of the display, integrates facial recognition and offers convenient screen sharing capabilities, akin to features seen on certain competitor devices. So, what's the final verdict on the Honor MAGIC6 Pro? It's clear that Honor has crafted a compelling flagship smartphone with impressive photography capabilities, robust battery life, and unique software enhancements. While it may not match the absolute top-tier performance of some competitors in every aspect, its overall package offers great value for those looking for a feature-rich Android experience. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Honor MAGIC6 Pro. If you're interested in more tech reviews and product critiques, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for future updates. Let us know your thoughts on the Honor MAGIC6 Pro in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.